In plasma arc welding, metal coalescence is produced by a constricted arc made up of a high-velocity stream of ionized gas called a plasma. In most plasma arc welding operations, the plasma jet is generated by heating the orifice gas in the torch plenum chamber to a plasma and forcing the plasma to exit through a constricting nozzle or orifice. Partial shielding is obtained from the plasma and is supplemented by an auxiliary shielding gas. Auxiliary shielding gases used include argon, helium, or mixtures of argon with hydrogen or helium. Because of the constricted arc, the heat energy of the plasma stream is concentrated and extremely intense. This permits deep penetration, narrow welds, and rapid welding speeds with good arc stability. Workpieces can be joined with or without filler metal. Plasma arc welding can be used to join most ferrous and non-ferrous metals, including extremely thin materials such as foils. Plasma arc welding equipment cost is high, however, so the process is often limited in its application.